The SAISD Health Science Technology course is designed to prepare students for the challenges of a career in medicine and healthcare. This 2-year program provides students with a course of study that is focused on interdisciplinary activities and hands-on experience. In the first year of the program, academic studies include the history of the healthcare field, effective communication, personal qualities, legal responsibilities, medical terminology, and many other hands-on skills. First-year students complete the class by observing and practicing the skills they have learned in local healthcare facilities.
Our curriculum covers a wide range of topics, and it covers communicational skills, leadership skills. We cover also safety and body mechanics. How would you move a patient in a hospital and how important that factor is? We also talk about the skill development, and that would be in regards to blood pressure checks, taking temperatures, taking respirations, monitoring respirations, blood pressure, breathing patterns with the patient. Another thing that we do, we work on their employable skills, which nowadays is very important when they go out in the field to find a job. And we work on their dress attire, what's appropriate to dress for a business interview. And then another thing would be, how would they dress to go to work at a hospital? What's the appropriate dress to work in scrubs? And what would be the appropriate way of wearing your scrubs? We do take our students to the clinical hospital. We take them to Shannon, which is one of our local hospitals, and they've been very gracious of working with us for a number of years. And they let us go to their hospital. We work within a number, about 8 to 10 departments, and they allow their staff to mentor our students. Those individuals give their time to our students, and they communicate with our students and let them know what it took for them to go to college. How did they meet their struggles, and how did they complete their education? And then our students know what it takes to do that.
The second-year class is designed around the Texas Nurse Aid curriculum, with state certification testing completed at the end of the first semester. Upon successful completion of the CNA certification, students finish the course with a 6-week internship in their selected profession.
The first semester, when we begin the CNA or Certified Nurse Aid program, begins day one with hands-on. We start with teaching them how to put on a pillowcase. So they're basically going to learn all of the skills necessary to provide assistance with activities of daily living to someone that needs assistance. They begin with bed bath, learning how to bathe someone in bed. They also learn how to make a bed with someone in it, which is called an occupied bed. They make a bed without anyone in it. They learn how to brush teeth, how to brush dentures, how to comb hair. They learn how to turn someone properly in bed. They learn how to get them out of bed, how to put someone in a wheelchair. In order to meet the requirements of the nurse aid program, they have to fulfill 24 hours of clinical. And those hours have to be in a long-term care facility. And during those 24 hours, students have a checklist of skills that they have to perform and have checked off all of those skills. And so we go up anywhere from 24 to 30 hours, and the students get ample time to complete all of those skills. In the meantime, on the days we're not at the long-term care facility, the students are in the classroom getting in their 51 mandated hours of the nurse aid program.
Health Science Technology provides students with the skills necessary for success in this rapidly evolving field.
I usually have the facility offer several of my students jobs before we even complete our rotation. And one of my students had him 4 years ago. He's still working at the facility and working on his RN.
Health science is a wonderful field to go into. You'll always have a job. Health Science Technology 1 is like a stepping stone for a lot of these students. They learn if they want to go out there in the field, and they find either if they want to go into nursing, pharmacy technician. They find if they want to go into the laboratory, they want to work in radiology. So a lot of times when we go to Shannon, they find out that they may want to go into another field altogether. And it gives them a way of knowing which opportunity do they want to take for themselves. But it also allows them to know that the opportunity is there for them. All they have to do is work hard and strive for their goals.
Health Science Technology 1 is open to all high school juniors. Students who are interested in enrolling are encouraged to talk to their school counselor.
We'll have an application process that the student will have to fill out. It takes the initiative of the student to do that. It also takes the recommendation of the father and the mother or the guardian to fill out the form with the student. It takes an essay on behalf of the student to apply, and then it takes a review process on behalf of the counselor. And then from that process, the student will apply, and then we will take it from there. The first year begins. After the first year, of course, then it goes on to the second year. But in order to apply for the second year, you have to be a student for the first year in Health Science 1.
If you have any questions about the SAISD Health Science Technology program, please contact the Central or Lakeview High School Counseling Center for more information.